The clan Bannerman is a Scottish clan with a rich and fascinating history. The name Bannerman has its origins in the privilege held by ancestors of the family to carry the royal standard in the 10th and 11th centuries. The arms of this family prominently proclaim this ancient and honourable office, and it is said that Sir Alexander Caron was named the hereditary standard-bearer to the king for braving the raging waters of the River Spey to save the Scottish king from danger. The Bannermans became embroiled in the politics of northeast Scotland, which inevitably meant taking sides in the great feud between the powerful Bordens and their enemies the Forbeses, during the 16th century. The Bannermans were generally supporters of the Forbeses, but also had ties to the king, such as when Alexander Bannerman of Pitmedden supported Charles I in his struggle against his Scottish Presbyterian subjects. Sir Alexander Bannerman, the 4th Baronet, was forced to sell the Elsick estates due to suspected Jacobite intrigues, but his descendant Sir Alexander Bannerman was MP for the city of Aberdeen and then served as Governor of the Bahamas and of Newfoundland. Sir Henry Campbell Bannerman, a Liberal Prime Minister of Britain from 1905 to 1908, was born in Glasgow and assumed the name Bannerman through his mother. Sir Arthur Bannerman, 12th Baronet, served in the Indian Army, and was political aide to the Secretary of State for India. The Bannermans have a long history of military service and political involvement, and their loyalty and bravery have been demonstrated time and time again.